Monad crypto is going crazy right now with the dumps. We have had a crazy 20% plus more price reduction. So, in today's episode, I just want to give you a basic breakdown of what has been happening. So, looking at the stats right now, we are down by about 16.4% in the last 24 hours. The market cap is down to 266 million US dollars with the FDV valuation of about 2.4 billion. First of all, I have to remind you that to all the subscribers that have been tuned to my YouTube channel, I have been talking about the price of Monad dropping as low as it has come at this particular moment. So I really hope that you guys obviously took that action and you were able to benefit from this, because this was something that was anticipated. And remember, I consistently told you to wait for the prices to come back below the pre-sale levels, and right now it really looks like we're forming a double top. So what we need to look forward to is a divergence on the smaller time frame, such as the 4 hour. So right now we're beginning to build up a little bit. So if we go to the 1 hour on Monad, it's gaining a little bit of momentum. So we're seeing a little bit of bullish divergence coming through, where we've got that upward strength coming through while the price goes down. So this is one of the reasons why it is highly likely that the price of Monad is going to bounce in the next coming 24 to about 72 hours, and this particular scalp is going to work. So now the question stands: is this going to be a great idea to sort of buy Monad on the cheap as it is, and just wait for the parabolic rise? Well, the simple answer to that lies in the tokenomics. One thing that I have been very adamant about when it comes to Monad is it has got shitty tokenomics. And obviously, if you are going to be holding a lot of Monad tokens, you're going to be bag holding it for about 6 to 12 months, because there's going to be a lot of inflation, there's going to be a lot of selling off, and there's going to be a lot of markets coming through, or rather tokens coming into the market, which is just going to suppress the price further and further below. So if you take a look at the total supply, 100 billion in comparison to the circulating supply, which is only 10.8 billion. Man, this is very poor. So the only thing that's going to be able to make Monad relevant is the ecosystem, meme coins, plus some other utility facilities as far as Monad is concerned. So if that is going to happen, then we're going to see the price of Monad perhaps hold, but that is highly unlikely. So we're obviously going to have like 1 year of price depreciation, which is very bad. So personally, I have been shorting this market. So if you go to my YouTube channel, just go to my YouTube channel and look at all the information that I've been giving you. You guys wouldn't even have been surprised by this particular dump. So if we also go to Dex Screener, right, and see what has been happening as far as nads.fun is concerned, right, a lot of the ecosystem. So if we go to the Monad ecosystem, a lot of it isn't even doing much at this particular moment. Everything is sort of dropping. So I'm having a little bit of issues with my internet right now. I do not know why the internet is poorly working, but anyhow, all I wanted to let you guys know is this divergence on the smaller time frame could perhaps give us a little bit of a bounce. If the price bounces, let's say for example you decide to swoop in at 0.02, about 2 cents, okay, you can scalp this and sell around 3 cents. So getting in at these levels, like as low as you can get to the base, and selling at this level is literally going to give you a 30%. So there is potentially a 30% price bounce, which is going to happen before we sort of choose our next fit and see what will happen to the price of Monad. That's all I had for you guys. Tell me, did you watch my previous episodes? Did you listen to the advice that I gave you? Everything is on my YouTube channel. Just go back and see what I was telling you with regards to this price dump. So personally, I am happy. I'm looking forward to scalping it long for just this 30% price drop. So obviously, the better entry level is going to be you know, here, okay, all the way down. So I would say roughly around this level between 0.022 all the way to 2 cents, like flat or slightly below. That's where I would get in and hopefully wait for the bounce to kick in, and that's going to be like the easiest 30% price pump right over there. So anyhow, that's all I had for you. Hope you guys took advantage of this one.